This is elevator 1 at the Highline at 9 apartments in Columbus, Ohio. This one is a newer one. It's a newer, older one. It's an older, newer one. Who's rated? I think this is a 2017 or 18 install. Well, the other one's an older one, so this was FIGS, the other one's FIGL. Yeah, car 2 is the FIGL, car 1's the FIGS, which is kind of weird. Here, 5. This one's not carved out like the other one. It's the same exact basic house. Exactly the same except it has FIGS fixtures rather than FIGL. All this firefighter's operation sticker that's like coming off. Actually, it's just a little bent. And dents on the door. This place is definitely a few years old at this point, so these are not in the newest condition. I thought that was an FIGL one, but no, I think that's like an Amazon package delivery.